I'm so excited to unbox this.
Gabby!
My name's Poppy. I'll be showing you today the Gabby Dollhouse Cat Friendship.
I am excited. Let's go.
Let's see what's inside. OMG. We're gonna have so much fun when you put water in this, either hot or cold. Here, change its colour. It's purple, not blue.
What do you think we should do now?
Now let's get to the attachment. There's 18 pieces and some stickers. There's windows you can turn from the inside or the outside. I just found this light, and when I turn it, disco light. We assemble 2 extension packs. This is the spa room, and this is the carnival room.
Should we add them to your friendship? Gabby's Dollhouse, Gabby Cat Friendship, Carnival Room and Spa Room are all available at major toy retailers.
Wow, I'm surprised.